In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a Zoom meeting, whether it's for a quick team check-in, a virtual hangout with friends, or an urgent meeting with clients. Zoom makes it easy to connect with others no matter where you are. Let's dive right in and explore how you can start a meeting using the Zoom app. First, you'll want to open the Zoom app on your device. If you haven't done so already, ensure that you're logged in with your account credentials to get started right away. Once you've launched the app, take a look around. You'll notice that the interface is user-friendly, designed to make navigating the features as intuitive as possible. Now you're ready to host a meeting. Simply click on New Meeting to set things in motion. Once you do, your meeting will start immediately, so make sure that you're ready to begin when you click. This feature is particularly useful for those impromptu meetings where time is of the essence, allowing you to get started without any delay. As the meeting begins, you'll want to bring others into the conversation. For this, look towards the option labeled Participants. Clicking on this will present you with the Invite function. This is the gateway to bringing your group together. You have the flexibility to share the meeting link or the meeting ID, depending on what works best for your invitees. Sharing the link is generally the swiftest method, particularly in situations where everyone is ready to jump on a call with little notice. It's convenient and avoids the hassle of miscommunication. There you go. You've just started your Zoom meeting. Whether you have a structured agenda or this is an unplanned gathering, having this process under your belt makes digital collaboration straightforward and efficient. Remember, Zoom is a great tool for both planned and spontaneous meetups, offering various options for video, audio, and screen sharing. These features can enhance your meeting experience even further, but today we focused on getting you started quickly. If you're hosting a gathering on the fly, Zoom really shines with its ability to launch meetings in just a few clicks. And don't forget, the participants feature is key for an effective meeting, allowing you to add guests effortlessly. As you become more familiar with the platform, you'll find it easier to use the different features to suit your specific needs. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guided approach was helpful and empowers you to host your next Zoom meeting with confidence. Remember to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on harnessing the power of tech tools like Zoom. See you next time, and happy hosting.